Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Maths by Samit Deshmukh. In this video, we are solving last 3 remaining example from this exercise. So see the example number 8. The following is the probability density function of continuous random variable x, and this probability density function is defined as f of x is equal to x by 8 if x lies in between 0 to 4, otherwise the value of f of x will be equal to 0. So probability density function is given to us. So here we have considered this probability density function. Now using it, first we have to find the expression for CDF, means cumulative distribution function. So let us try to find out CDF here. So the cumulative density distribution function of x is denoted by what? Capital F of x is denoted by capital F of x, and whose value is equals to, its value is equal to minus integration of minus infinity to x f of x dx. So which is equal to, now we have to split up this interval because interval is from minus infinity to x, and here values of f of x, two values of f of x are given to us. One value is in between 0 to 4 and another value is otherwise, means if x does not lies in this interval, at that time value of f of x is nothing but what? Probability. So value of probability is 0. In case of continuous random variable, f of x represents the value of probability. So here we are splitting this interval as minus infinity to 0 f of x dx plus, and in the second part 0 to x f of x dx. So which is equal to, in this part value of f of x is 0 and integration of 0 will be equal to 0, plus here we are substituting the value of f of x. What is the value of f of x? X by 8 dx. So which is equal to, here 1 by 8 is nothing but what? Constant term. 1 by 8 is a constant term, so take it outside the integration, and now we are finding integration of x, where its integration will be equal to x square upon 2. So which is equal to x square into 1 will be equal to x square divided by 8 into 2 will be equal to 16. In this way we have got our first required value, that is cumulative distribution function of x, and it is defined as what? F of x is equal to x square upon 16. In this way we have completed first question. Now we have to find out value of f of x at x is equal to 0.5. Means now we are we are solving second question of second part of this question number 8, in which we have to find out value of f of x for x is equal to 0.5. So which is equal to, now I am replacing this x because value of f of x is known to us. Remaining part is just to substitute the value of x in this expression. See what we will get here. So I am replacing x by 0.5. So 0.5 square divided by 16. So which is equal to, here we can observe that 1 by 16 we are taking on one side. 0.5, can I write it as 1 by 2? Yes, we know that 1 by 2 is equal to nothing but what? 0.5. ये 1 by 16 एक साइड में ले लिया हमने, और ये 0.5 को हम 1 by 2 भी बोल सकते हैं, because value of 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5, and keep this square as it is. So which is equal to 1 by 16, keep it as it is, into what is square of 1 by 2? Square of 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. So which is equal to 1 into 1 is 1, and 16 into 4 will be equal to 64. In this way we have got the value of f of x is equal to 0.5. So now our second required value, what is the second required value? F of x is equals to 1.7. So here we are replacing x by what? 1.7. value of f of x, same formula we are applying in every case. So x I am replacing by 1.7, keep the square as it is, divided by 16 also as it is. What is square of 17? Square of 17 is equal to 289. So decimal point will be before 2 digit divided by 16. So therefore f of x is equal to 1.7 is equal to. Now perform the division. So all of you are the student of 12th standard, easily you are able to find out the division here, and you can observe that after finding this division definitely you will get 0.18. So approximately 0.18. So this is our second required value. Now let us try to find out third required value, means what? F of 5. But here again we can observe that f of x is equal to, what is f of x here? F of x is equal to x by 8, and this is the value of f of x for x is greater than or equal to 0 and less than what? 4. So we can conclude that this implies that f of 4 is equals to, so first we are finding value of f of 4. F of 4 is equal to what? Value of f of x is known to us, its value is equal to x square by 16. So just simply replace x by what? 4. So 4 square by 16, just simply I am replacing x by 4. So here also I am replacing x by what? 4. So 4 square will be equal to 16 upon 16 is equal to 1. चलो अभी हमने क्या किया है यहाँ पे, ये 0 to 4 तक ये समझो ग्राफ है. सो 0 to 4 तक ये सब प्रोबेबिलिटी की एडिशन कितनी आई? ये एडिशन 1. अभी 4 के बाद में, क्योंकि 4 के बाद में मीन्स अप टू व्हाट? 5, बिकॉज वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट वैल्यू ऑफ एफ ऑफ एक्स व्हेन एक्स इज इक्वल टू 5. तो 5 तक प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी है? 0 है. 5 तक प्रोबेबिलिटीज कितनी है? बिकॉज दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी if x lies in between what? 0 to 4, otherwise the probability will be equal to what? 0. So this implies that f of 5 will be equals to f of 4 तक probability 1 है. Hope you are getting it. 1 है, और 1 के यहाँ इसके आगे प्रोबेबिलिटी की वैल्यू कितनी है? 0. अगर हमें 5 तक प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड करनी है, यानी 5 तक पूरे प्रोबेबिलिटी की 5 तक अगर हमें क्यूमुलेटिव डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन CDF निकालना है, बिकॉज कैपिटल F ऑफ X रिप्रेजेंट्स व्हाट? CDF. तो 5 तक अगर हमें CDF निकालना है, यानी 5 के पहले के पूरे प्रोबेबिलिटीज की क्या लेनी पड़ेंगी हमें? एडिशन. तो यहाँ तक तो प्रोबेबिलिटी की एडिशन 1 है, और इसके बाद में की जो भी प्रोबेबिलिटी है वो 0 है. तो 1 प्लस 0 क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? 1. सो f of 5 विल बी इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? 1. होप यू आर गेटिंग इट. f of 5 मीन्स व्हाट? f of 4 means what? Sum of all probabilities up to what? 4. And just now we have seen that its value is equal to 1, and even we know that sum of all probability will be equal to what? 1. तो हमने यहाँ पे 0 से लेके 4 तक 4 के आगे का पूरा पार्ट लिया है, लेकिन अभी क्वेश्चन क्या है? 5 तक फाइंड करो. लेकिन हमें पता है कि 4 के बाद में प्रोबेबिलिटी 0 है, इट इज गिवन टू अस. तो यहाँ पे 4 तक 1 है और 1 के बाद में 0 है. तो 0 0 0 हर एक पॉइंट पे 0 आएगा. तो 1 प्लस 0 प्लस 0 प्लस 0 1 ही आने वाला है. इसका मतलब f of 5 will be equals to what? 1. In this way we have got our third required value f of x when x is equal to what? 5. In this way we have solved, or we have completed question number 8. Now see the question number 9. In this question, given the probability density function of a continuous random variable, so means this is f of x means probability density function is defined as what? F of x is equal to x square upon 3. This is the value of f of x if x lies in between -1 and 2. Otherwise the value of f of x will be equal to 0. Using this we have to first determine the CDF of x. So here we have considered f of x, and using this f of x means probability density function, we are trying to find out our first required value, that is CDF of x. Now CDF of x is defined as, or its value is minus infinity, integration of minus infinity to x f of x dx. Our interval is from, now observe here, minus infinity to x, limits are from minus infinity to x, and here x lies in between -1 and what? +2. Means here we have to split up this interval into two parts. First part will be equal to what? -infinity 2 minus 1, in which value of f of x is 0. Why it becomes essential to split up it into two parts? Because two values of f of x are given here. So this is first value and this is second value. So in the first part here we can observe that value of f of x is 0, and in between minus 1 and plus 2, its value is equal to x square upon 3. So x square upon 3 dx. So here x, keep it as it is. Now we can say that integration of f of x will be equal to here 0, because f of x is 0. So f of x is 0, integration of 0 will be equal to 0. Now let us simplify the next term. So here 1 by 3 is a constant term, keep it as it is, 1 by 3 keep it as it is, and integration of x square will be equals to x cube divided by 3. So here keep limits as it is. What are the limits here? Minus 1 to x, minus 1 to x. Let us again simplify it. So which is equal to x cube divided by 9. What we are getting here? In the numerator 1 into x cube is x cube, and in the denominator 3 into 3 is 9. So what are the limits? Limits are from minus 1 to x. First I am substituting x is equal to x, so here we will get x cube upon 9, and then replace x by what? Minus 1. So minus, what is cube of minus 1? Will be equal to minus 1 divided by 9. So here minus into minus will become plus, means here we will get x cube plus 1 divided by 9. So this is the value of what? F of x, means cumulative distribution function is x cube plus 1 upon 9. Means in this way we have got CDF. Now using this we are finding our required values. Now then we have to find out value of p of x less than 1. So if you observe here question very carefully, first part is what? Determines CDF, which is already known to us, and hence means what? Using CDF. Instead of saying using CDF, which word we are able to use? And hence, means first find out CDF, and hence means by using this CDF find out all these values. चलो CDF बोले तो क्या? CDF means sum of all probabilities up to what? X. Up to what? X will be given by which formula? X cube plus 1 अपॉन 9. अभी हमारी इंटरवल कहाँ से कहाँ तक है? -1 से लेके +2 तक. यहाँ पे सब प्रोबेबिलिटी की सम अगर लेंगे तो 1 आएंगी. इधर की प्रोबेबिलिटी 0 है और इधर का भी प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है? 0 है. इट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन टू अस, एंड सम ऑफ ऑल प्रोबेबिलिटीज इन दिस इंटरवल विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट? 1. So now here we have to find out p of x less than or equals to 1. Means here in short we can say that f of x will be equals to what? 1. So f of x is equals to 1. If you'll observe our definition very carefully, if I am saying that find the probability when x is equals to 1, at that time it can be denoted by this notation also, which is called as cumulative distribution function. So which is equals to, both are the same notation. So observe the definitions once again very carefully. So here simply we have to replace x by what? 1. So 1 cube plus 1 upon 9. So which is equal to, what is cube of 1? 1. 1 plus 1, just we are substituting x is equal to 1 in this formula because already value of f of x is known to us. So which is equal to 2 by 9. Means in this way we have got p of x less than 1. Now we are finding p of x less than what? -2. So will be equal to, so now -2 तो ये साइड में आ रहा है, यानी -2 इस इंटरवल में ला ही नहीं होता है. -2 डज नॉट लाइज इन दिस इंटरवल. तो -2 तो इधर कहीं पे तो भी आएगा, तो इधर के तो पूरे प्रोबेबिलिटी 0 है. इट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन टू अस. एफ ऑफ एक्स रिप्रेजेंट्स व्हाट? प्रोबेबिलिटी इन केस ऑफ कंटिन्यूअस रैंडम वेरिएबल. तो इधर हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? इसकी वैल्यू 0. इफ यू वांट गिव द रीजन दैट सिंस -2 डज नॉट बिलोंग्स इन विच इंटरवल? -1 to +2, because values of probability we are getting only in this interval applying this formula x square upon 3. Otherwise in remaining part value of f of x is 0, it is given to us, and -2 does not belongs to this interval. और x की वैल्यू -2 से क्या है? लेस है. लेस तो फिर -2 ही बिलोंग नहीं होता, तो उससे लेस वैल्यू, उससे छोटे वैल्यू तो बिलोंग होने का सवाल ही नहीं आता है. सो हियर this result we have got from the given condition. Now next value is p of x greater than 0. अभी यहाँ पे आपको समझने की कोशिश करनी है। तो यहाँ पे 0 कहीं पे तो भी है, isn't it? Somewhere in between -1 and +1, somewhere 0 is there, isn't it? If I am saying that f of 0 बोले तो क्या, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक 0 तक के पूरे प्रोबेबिलिटी की एडिशन, ओके। और अभी हमें क्या कहा गया है कि x की वैल्यू 0 से ग्रेटर होनी चाहिए। ग्रेटर होनी चाहिए बोले तो इधर की पूरे प्रोबेबिलिटीज आएंगे, तो यहाँ इसके आगे तो पूरे प्रोबेबिलिटी की वैल्यू 0 है, तो यहाँ के सम और यहाँ की सम, ये पूरे सम में से हमें हमारी वैल्यू क्या है, x से ग्रेटर है, सॉरी 0 से ग्रेटर है। वैल्यू ऑफ x इज व्हाट, ग्रेटर देन 0। ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड इट वेरी केयरफुली। जब इक्वल टू 0 बोलते हैं तो हम क्या बोलते हैं कि 0 तक के सब प्रोबेबिलिटी की एडिशन, ओके। और अगर मैं कहूँ कि f ऑफ 2 बोले तो क्या, 2 तक के पूरे प्रोबेबिलिटीज की एडिशन, यहां से इधर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड के पूरे प्रोबेबिलिटीज की क्या आनी चाहिए, एडिशन आनी चाहिए। अभी अगर x की वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन 0 है, इसका मतलब हमें f ऑफ 2 में से, आपको देखना है ये f ऑफ 2 में से f ऑफ 0 अगर मैं सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दूं, f ऑफ 2 में से f ऑफ 0 अगर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दूं, तो देन कैन आई से दैट वी विल गेट दिस वैल्यू। चलो अभी 2 तक की पूरे प्रोबेबिलिटी की सम, यानी यहां तक के पूरे प्रोबेबिलिटी की सम में से 0 तक के प्रोबेबिलिटी की सम अगर हमने रिप्लेस कर दी, तो इसका मतलब हमने क्या कंसीडर किया, x इज व्हाट, ग्रेटर देन 0 मींस दिस साइड, तो इतना ही पार्ट हमें निकालना है, इसके आगे की तो प्रोबेबिलिटी 0 ही है। तो इसका मतलब f ऑफ 2 मींस ये पूरा पार्ट आ गया, ये पूरा पार्ट, इसमें से ये पार्ट क्या कर दिया हमने, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया। ये पार्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट हो गया बोले तो इतना ही पार्ट बचा है, और इतने पार्ट में x की वैल्यू क्या है, 0 से ग्रेटर है। 2 के आगे जाएंगे तो 2 के आगे और क्या होगा, प्रोबेबिलिटी 0 ही होंगी, तो ये +0 करके कोई मतलब ही नहीं है। तो f ऑफ 2 में से f ऑफ 0 क्या करना है, हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है। सो विच इज इक्वल टू, नाउ f ऑफ 2. So to find out f of 2, just simply replace x by 2 here. 2 cube plus 1 upon 9 minus f of 0. Replace x by 0. So 0 cube plus 1 upon 9. So which is equal to, here again we can observe that, चलो 2 तक, लास्ट नंबर तो 2 ही है इस इंटरवल का, 2 तक पूरे प्रोबेबिलिटीज के एडिशन हमें पता है 1 ही है, क्योंकि लास्ट नंबर इज व्हाट, 2, एंड वी नो दैट सम ऑफ ऑल प्रोबेबिलिटीज विल बी इक्वल्स टू व्हाट, 1। तो 2 लास्ट नंबर है, तो 2 तक के सब प्रोबेबिलिटी यहां से लेके यहाँ तक इनकी प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 ही आनी चाहिए। जस्ट चेक इट, 2 लास्ट नंबर है तो यहाँ पे 1 आता है या नहीं। सो 2 क्यूब इज 8, 8 प्लस 1 इज 9, सो 9 upon 9 minus here what we are getting, 1 upon 9, so which will be equal to 9 upon, denominators are same, so simply take the subtraction of numerator, it 9 upon 9 is 1, check that this probability is 1, और इसमें से ये probability subtract करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा हमें, 8/9, so 8/9 will be the next required value. Now we are finding value of p of x greater than 1 and less than what, 2, greater than 1 and less than 2। चलो अभी 1 और 2 ले लो यहाँ पे, जस्ट कंसीडर दिस वन इंटरवल, सो -1 to what, 2, इसके बीच में कहीं पे तो भी क्या आने वाला है, 1 आने वाला है। तो f of 2 मीन्स व्हाट, f of 2 मीन्स ये पूरे प्रोबेबिलिटीज की एडिशन, और उसमें से हम f ऑफ 1 अगर सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, f ऑफ 1 अगर क्या करते हैं, हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, तो यहां तक के प्रोबेबिलिटी की एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे। ये पूरे इसमें से इतना पार्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो क्या मिलेगा हमें, द वैल्यूज इन बिटवीन व्हाट, 1 and 2, मीन्स टू फाइंड आउट this probability, what we have to do here, f of 2 minus f of 1, isn't it? So f of 2, what is f of 2 here, just simply replace x by 2, so here we will get 2 cube plus 1 upon 9 minus f of 1, that's why we are replacing x by 1, so 1 cube plus 1 upon 9, so which is equal to 2 cube is what, 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 upon 9 minus here 1 cube is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1, so 2 upon 9, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 upon 9. So here denominators are same, so simply take the subtraction of numerator, so which will be equal to 9 minus 2 is 7, 7 upon 9 is the value of p of x greater than 1 and less than what, 2. In this way we have got next means last required value also. In this way we have completed question number 9. Now let us try to solve the example number 10th. So observe the condition in this example. If a random variable x has a probability density function, f of x is equal to c by x, and this is the value of f of x if x lies in between what, 1 and 3. If x lies between 1 and 3, at that time what value of f of x we have to consider? C by x. Otherwise the value of f of x is 0. This line is not given in the example, but it is considerable. That might be possible it is print mistake. Otherwise the probability will be equal to what? 0. Using all these conditions, we have to find out value of c, e of x, and variance of x. So first let us try to find out value of c here. C is one unknown value given in f of x, and we are trying to find out value of c of x, c, using the condition that f of x is what? Probability density function. If f of x is probability density function, at that time it satisfies which condition? Integration of f of x dx from minus infinity to plus infinity will be equals to what? 1. As it stands, our interval is from what? Minus infinity to plus infinity, and value of this is the value of f of x in between what? 1 and 3. So that's why we have to split up this interval minus infinity to plus infinity into 3 parts. This is first part, this is second part, and this is what? Third part. So here minus infinity to plus infinity can be written as minus infinity to 1 f of x dx plus 1 to 3 f of x dx plus 3 to infinity f of x dx, and on the right hand side keep 1 as it is. Now what is the value of f of x in this interval? According to given condition its value is 0, and integration of 0 will be equal to 0. So here keep limits of integration 1 to 3 as it is, and here according to given condition in this interval value of f of x is what? C by x. So c by x dx, and in this interval also value of function is 0, and integration of 0 will be equal to 0. On the right hand side 1, keep it as it is. So therefore keep limits of integration here, not necessary to write 0, keep limits of integration as it is. Now we are finding integration. Better way, first find out integration of this function. So not necessary to write 0. So here c is a constant term, keep c as it is. Now remaining term is what? 1 by x. Otherwise we can say that c is a constant, so take it outside the integration. Remaining term is 1 by x. And what is integration of 1 by x? Integration of 1 by x is equal to log x. Keep limits of integration 1 to 3 as it is, on the right hand side 1 also as it is. So therefore c, keep it as it is. First I am replacing x by upper limit means by 3, so here we will get log 3, minus then replace x by 1, so here we will get log 1 is equal to 1, keep it as it is. So therefore c into log 3, keep it as it is, minus what is the value of log 1? 0 is equal to 1, which implies that c is equals to log 3 minus 0 is log 3. Log 3 is multiplied with c. So log 3 is multiplied, on this side it will get divided. So 1 upon log 3 is the value of c. Once the value of c is known to us, then we are trying to find out second required value, e of x. Now try to understand the formula to find out e of x. So already we have seen e of x can be find out applying which formula? So that summation xi into pi, means it is the sum of product of value of random variable with its probability. This formula we have discussed in case of what? In case of discrete random variable. Now similar type of formula we will get in case of what? Continuous random variable. So just try to understand it. So e of x will be equals to, here this sum can be find out using what? Integration. So here integration of minus infinity to plus infinity. Now just summation will get replaced by what? Integration in case of continuous random variable. Try to understand it. And here x into p means what? Here probability is x means what? Value of random variable, and p means what? Its probability. But in case of continuous random variable, probability is denoted by what? F of x. So instead of p of x we are writing here f of x, so which is equals to, again we are splitting it into 3 parts, minus infinity to 0 x into f of x dx, plus then second part is what? 1 2 3 1 2 3 x into f of x plus last part is 3 to infinity x into f of x into what? F of x dx. So which is equals to, here value of f of x is 0, so 0 into any number is 0, plus here in between this interval 1 2 3 x, keep it as it is, we are replacing f of x by its value c by x, so c by x dx, plus in the last part also value of f of x is 0, 0 into any number is 0, and integration of 0 will be equal to 0. So here we can observe that xx will get cancelled, so remaining term is here c dx. So which is equal to, what is integration of c dx? Cx, where c is a constant, so take it outside the limit, and here 1 3 keep it as it is, so which is equal to, now I am replacing c by its value. What is the value of c? 1 upon log 3, 1 upon log 3, and here first replace x by upper limit means by 3, minus then by x by lower limit means by 1. So 3 minus 1 is what? 2, and 2 into 1 will be equal to 2. So 2 upon log 3 is the value of what? E of x. In this way we have got our second required value, E of x. Now third part is to find out v of x, means variance, and to find out the value of variance we will require the value of e of x also and value of e of x square also. Means just simply x is replaced by x square, so on this side also x will get replaced by what? X square. So and e of x square will be equals to, now limits here, instead of summation we are using what? Integration in case of continuous random variable. And what is its formula? Here its formula is summation xi square into pi. So here we will get x square into p. P means what? Probability, but in case of continuous random variable probability is denoted by what? F of x. So this will be the formula which is applicable to find out e of x square in case of continuous random variable, and these are the formulas applicable in case of what? Discrete random variable. So which is equal to minus infinity to here intervals are what? To 1 x square into f of x square into f of x dx. Just this interval we are splitting it into three part. Then second part is 1 2 3 x square into f of x square into f of x dx, plus last part will be equals to 3 to infinity x square into f of x dx. So which is equals to, in the first part value of f of x is 0, so 0 into any number is 0, and integration of 0 will be equal to 0, plus here minus 1 limits of integration, keep it as it is, x square also as it is. F of x I am replacing by its value c by x, because in this interval value of f of x is c by x, plus, and in this part also value of integration will be equal to 0, because f of x is 0, 0 into x square is 0, and integration of 0 will be equal to 0. Now to find out value of e of x square, just we have to find out integration of this term. Now let us simplify it. Here x and x will get cancelled. So after cancelling x from numerator and denominator, here remaining term is c. C into x will be equal to cx, but c is a constant sum, so take it outside the integration. Here c we have taken outside the integration, limits are from 1 to 3, and here remaining term is x dx. So c, keep it as it is, integration of x will be equal to x square upon 2, limits are from 1 to 3. So here 1 by 2 is a constant, take it outside the integration, so here we'll get c by 2, and here x square, keep it as it is, limits also as it is. Just simply 1 by 2 is a constant, and constant we are able to take outside the limit. So here 1 by 2 keep it as it is into this 1 by 2 as it is, c I am replacing by its value. What is the value of c here? C is equal to, I think it will be 1 by log 3. Already we have got the value of c in the first part. Its value is equal to 1 by log 3. Again here first replace x by upper limit means by 3. So 3 square will be equals to 9, minus 1 square will be equal to 1. So which is equals to, now this 1 by 2 keep it as it is into log 3 also as it is. Here see what we are getting, 9 minus 1 will be equals to 8. So which is equals to 8 and 2, both are divisible by 2. If I'm dividing to numerator and denominator by 2, here we will get 4 and here 2 will get cancelled, means in the numerator we will get 4. 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. So in the numerator we are getting 4 and in the denominator we are getting log 3. So which is nothing but value of what? E of x square. Once the value of E of x square is known to us, then we are able to find out variance of random variable V of x applying its formula. What is the value of V of x? That is E of x square minus E of x whole bracket square. So which is equals to E of x square is equal to 4 upon log 3 minus E of x. Just now we have got the value of E of x, that is 2 upon log 3. So replace E of x by its value 2 upon log 3 whole bracket square. So which is equals to, so if you'll observe here, what is the denominator here? Log square of log 3. So to get square of log 3 here, we are multiplying to numerator and denominator by log 3. So here we'll get 4 log 3. In the denominator, we will get square of log 3. Just simply we are multiplying to numerator by log 3 and denominator by log 3. Minus, now observe the next term. Square of 2 is 4. And square of log 3 will be equals to log 3 whole bracket square. So here easily we can observe that denominator of both the terms are same. What is the denominator? Better we continue this part on this side. So which is equals to, means V of x will be equals to, see what we are getting in the denominator. So denominator of both the terms are same. What is the denominator? Log square of log 3. So log 3 whole bracket square. And if you'll observe the numerator, since denominators are same, so we are taking subtraction of numerator. And if you'll observe the numerator very carefully, can I take 4 common? Yes, we are able to take 4 common. If we are taking 4 common, here remaining term is log 3, and here after taking 4 common, remaining term is minus 1. In this way, we have got the value of V of x. Hope the method to find out E of x, E of x square and V of x in case of continuous random variable is very clear to you. So if you think that these videos are very helpful to you, so please like the videos and share these videos with your friends.